Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ifeomaucheugbah. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please join my family by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. So today guys, I bought the Freshlook color blend contact lens and I will be unboxing it. When you purchase it, this is exactly how it comes. I bought mine in the shade Sterling Grey, but they have varieties of shades. You could just pick any. And once you open the box, it looks exactly like this inside. It comes with a solution, guys. This solution it expires 3 months after you unseal it. Make sure the seal is not broken before accepting this, because it expires 3 months after that. You have to replace it. It comes with an eye drop to disinfect your eyes. You can, if you're the type that uses the contact lens daily, you should use this daily as well. Then it comes with a tweezer and an applicator. Yes, this is very contact lens friendly because the tip is quite blunt. I'm really impressed with that. Use it to pick it out and pick it up. And this is what you use in applying the contact lens, the applicator. So here we have the 2 contact lenses for each eye, still sealed. And we have the little plastic in which you can preserve the contact lens after use. It is labeled L and R, meaning left and right. Please note guys, whatever eye you choose for each contact lens, you cannot interchange it so as not to infect yourself, because each eye comes with its own components and organisms. You don't want to transfer whatever is wrong with one eye to the other eye. So stick to the left and stick to the right. Don't mix it up. That is why the plastic is labeled already for you. So before getting down to this, I really recommend you wash your hands thoroughly and wash these plastics. So let's do that. I'll be right back. So I'm back from washing it. It's not rocket science. Just use really clean water and you're good to go. Now I want to add my solution to the plastic. So I'm done opening this. Now it's time to open this. It's a little stiff. Okay guys, this was really difficult. I can't even lie. Like, I would really recommend they find an easier way to package this stuff so the users or the customers won't find it so difficult. Like, I had to use a knife to lift the foil up a little bit, before opening it. That was really difficult. So Freshlook, do better. So now that I've struggled and I've successfully opened that, I'm going to use a tweezer to pick it. And just like that, I have put it into the can. For application purposes, you pick it up with a tweezer. And just like that, you can put it into your eyes. So guys, for care, I really recommend you change the water, the solution in this daily, so as to avoid eye infection. You should clean your tweezer and applicator regularly as well, daily in fact. And lastly, but I think this is the most important, please and please do not sleep with the contact lens on. Take it off at night when you're going to bed, okay? I really hope this video was very useful and helpful to you guys. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notification, so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.